Hello everybody, I am going to teach today turtle race program. To make this program, you need to import a library that is called turtle. When you import this turtle library, you can show turtle on the screen and also you can interactive window. After that, you need to call a screen function with the help of turtle.screen function and assign this into an object that is window. Here a screen is called screen is opened when window object is created. See, there is a player 1. In player 1 we are assigning turtle function. So it creates our player 1 that is turtle. Here we have to declare turtle shape. We have taken turtle shape turtle. Here in place of turtle you can change other objects also like face. Our turtle color is turquoise. Here we are doing pen up for player 1 so that when turtle moves there should be no line drawn. Player 1 dot go to minus 150 100. These are x y coordinates. It moves the turtle to a given place or location. Same here is a player 2. We have called turtle function. Turtle screen is also already there. Here we have taken turtle shape as it is turtle, but its color is changed. In place of turquoise, we have taken red color for this turtle. We have done pen up so that when this turtle moves, there should be no line drawn. So this was the program. I hope you have understood. Let's run this program and see the output. Click to the run module F5 and see our window have arrived, and there you see two turtles. Another one is different color. One of these programs, and you have learned how a game is created using Python. In our next video, I will teach you how you can make a racing program of turtle. Thank you very much for watching this video.